Hey lovelies, so today we're doing the part 5 of Be Your Own Resource, and we're talking about thumbnails today. So this is the guide to creating thumbnails. Like I said, all these resources that I have for part 1 to 5 will be in my Notion template and in my course, so the 100K loyalty course. So I'm really excited for you guys to get to check out those. And have this as a physical resource to print out or to have on your iPad. And so, guide to creating thumbnails. So I'm going to tell you some of the best graphic design programs that I personally would use to create thumbnails. So Canva, PicMonkey, Adobe Illustrator, Affinity Designer, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, Corel Vector, Creative Cloud Express, Procreate, or Adobe Express. So those are like the programs I would use, and those are the top 10 programs I would use. The next thing is, what features do all good thumbnails have? Well, clear photos, keeping it simple, bright colors, the right dimensions, so 80 pixels by 720 or 1920 by 1080, and the text should communicate one idea within the thumbnail, and create like a thumbnail template so that it's easy for you to make the next thumbnail and the next thumbnail. And especially with AI now, specifically, you can change your hair, you can change your background, you can change what you're wearing so easily in the thumbnails now, so it'll be great. So you guys should test that out within Canva and other ways as well. So the reasons why thumbnails are so important is that viewers see that first. They look at it and they're like, okay, should I watch this video? Shouldn't I watch this video? And it's important because it has to catch the viewer's attention. So this is like the template that I would use for a YouTube thumbnail for a viral video. So I've actually had quite a few viral videos. I used to have 1,000 videos on this channel, and now I'm growing at a different niche, and so I changed my niche, and those videos don't exist anymore because I'm starting over. But at the same time, having 20 videos go viral gives me the opportunity to talk about what I did to help make those videos go viral. So number 1, use a high quality image. So make sure that you time it and have it good to go, good lighting. Number 2, include text that explains what your video is about. Like I said, using bright colors and contrasting colors is really important. Use graphics or icons in your thumbnail to help illustrate your content. Number 5, keep it simple. Avoid cluttering your thumbnail with too much text, and have a clear focal point. So that just means like a clear center point of what you are trying to promote. And add branding, like your logo, to promote your brand. So the next thing we got here is use an attention-grabbing title. Make sure your title is clear and use keywords that are relevant. So try to think about what is the top priorities with your channel. Your colors will vary based on video and based on your brand. So I'm going to give you some designers on Fiverr that you can look up and get some help if you have no interest in creating these thumbnails yourself. Or if you're an experienced creator and you want some help so that that's something you don't have to do anymore. So top Fiverr thumbnail designers are Franklin G, Nazi Pizzelle, Sani, S-A-N-I-E, Dimitru S, and Marcus Ulan. And those designers range from $20 per thumbnail to $71 per thumbnail. But they all start around $20 to $35. So they're pretty reasonable, especially if you're making at least $20 a video, then you're good, because you're going to be making that back in the future when those videos go viral. And sometimes it does take a video like a few months to go viral or a few years to go viral, because something like, let's say for instance, bananas. Okay, so let's say all of a sudden all the bananas in the world are extinct. Well, suddenly you're probably going to have a lot more people searching for bananas and why they're extinct. So your video is going to blow up. And the same goes with any other search. If there's something that happens in the world that's related to the topic that you're talking about, or if suddenly something becomes trendy, then you will get really lucky and you'll be thrown into the algorithm, and it'll be great because you'll have your first viral video. So if you've already had your first viral videos, let me know what it is and I'll go check it out. And if not, I hope that these 5 parts have helped you grow and learn from some new things. And I have tons of new content to share with you very soon. So I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.